In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect or disconnect bank accounts in QuickBooks Online if you want to keep your financial records up to date and make bank transactions easier to manage. Linking your bank account in QuickBooks Online can save you a lot of time. And if you ever need to stop the connection, QuickBooks also gives you a simple way to disconnect it. I'll walk you through both parts clearly so you know exactly what to do. To get started, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Make sure you're using the correct company file before moving ahead, especially if you manage more than one business account. Once you're logged in, go to Accounting, then select Bank Transactions. This is the main area where QuickBooks lets you manage connected bank feeds, review imported activity, and handle your banking connections. If you want to connect a bank account, click Link Account. This option is usually easy to spot within the Bank Transactions page. After that, search for your bank and select it from the list. Take your time here and choose the correct financial institution, since some banks may have similar names or multiple login options. Next, sign in using your online banking credentials. Be sure to enter the same login details you normally use for your bank's website or mobile app. For security, it's always a good idea to do this on a trusted device and secure internet connection. After signing in, complete the prompts to connect your bank account. Depending on your bank, you may need to approve access, answer security questions, or choose which account you want to link. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully until the connection is complete. Once finished, QuickBooks can begin bringing in your bank transactions for review. If instead you need to disconnect a bank account, start by selecting the connected bank account from the Bank Transactions page. This will open the details for that specific connection. Then click the Edit icon, which looks like a pencil. In that menu, select Disconnect Account. QuickBooks will usually ask you to confirm this action so you don't disconnect the wrong account by mistake. Finally, click Disconnect to confirm. Once you do that, QuickBooks will stop importing new transactions from that bank account. This can be helpful if you're switching banks, reconnecting a feed, or simply no longer want that account linked. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to connect or disconnect bank accounts in QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching.